Hey everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial, and in today's tutorial we're going to talk about something really interesting. Now, if you never knew before, Discord sends you email notifications from time to time based on your topic of interest to keep you up to date. And to be honest, these emails might just come in handy and help you out save some time or teach something new about Discord. But before we go deep into details on what these emails are about and how to enable or disable them, I would just like to ask you to subscribe below if you haven't already, as this will help me a lot in supporting my channel. And if you do make it by the end of the video, which you should, you will learn something cool and interesting today, then make sure to leave a like, as this will help the video reach out to others. So to start with, Discord has different types of email notifications which you can select from to get notified. There are currently 6 different types of email notifications you get from Discord, of which one of them is a default one, meaning you cannot toggle enabling or disabling it. Now, do keep in mind that this method is currently only available on desktop and web version of Discord, meaning Discord currently don't support those settings through the Discord mobile application. So to first know how to enable or disable each of these notifications, you'll need to go to your settings, which is the clock icon here below, and then you scroll a bit down until you reach the tab called notifications. After that, you scroll down until you see the category called emails notifications. Now, here you see a bunch of options. The first one is communication emails, where you receive emails for missed calls and messages within DMs or servers that you have missed while you were away. I would not recommend enabling this. Trust me, you don't want your inbox to get filled with useless email spams. The second one is social emails, which are for friend requests, new friend suggestions, and events on your server. After that, there is announcements and update emails, which are about product updates, Discord's newest features, improvements, and bug fixes. I would recommend enabling this if you are interested in knowing what's new within Discord. The next one is tip emails. Now, as it says below, you'll receive emails with helpful advice on how to use Discord and information on lesser known features. And the second last is the recommendations emails. By enabling this, you'll receive emails with recommended servers. Now, it does say at the bottom some public event stages as well, but do keep in mind at the moment Discord has disabled the public stages option, meaning if you know what I'm talking about, a while back Discord used to have a tab for public stages where you could randomly join from different servers. And lastly, we have some of those default notifications such as transactions. You cannot disable those, so like for example, every time you do a purchase within Discord, you'll receive an email with a copy of the transaction with the amounts of money you have recently spent within Discord. Now, one last thing before we end our video. If you want to disable these notifications, firstly, you can easily toggle between each of these notifications one by one. And the other way is you can simply just click below here, which will just disable all of the notifications within your emails. Or one of the other ways is if you receive an email, from Discord, you can just see the options within your email somewhere, mostly below. You will see something like unsubscribe or so forth. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was something new that you have learned. Not many people know about this, as Discord doesn't really send that many emails. To be honest, it's a rare thing other than some kind of events, such as if you're having some Hype Squad badge or so, which they haven't done for a long time, or the yearly events such as snow giving and so forth. But yeah, they come in handy in some way. So yeah, that was all for today. Thank you again everyone for watching, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification to not miss my upcoming videos. And peace out.